In today's video, I want to guide you on how to fix default app icon not showing on PC, such as network, recycle bin, the PC, and your profile icon or profile name. These are the desktop icon that is pre-installed once you load your Windows on your PC, either Windows 11 or Windows 10, but your own is not there. Here is how to fix it. So what I'm saying in essence is this: you have something like this on your device. To fix it is very simple. Right click on the desktop here, click on properties, scroll down here, click on theme. Now scroll down here, click on desktop icon settings. Once you click here, you have something like this. You have the username, the computer, the recycle bin, then click on apply, then click on OK. Once you've done that, close this place. You should be able to have those icon display right away. Here is the PC, the apply, and others. So to rearrange this one, click on this button here, click by sorts, then you can sort by name, by size, by item, by date, modify. Then you have access to it like this. Now we have access to everything here, and you can manually adjust them to where you want them to be on your device for personal use. So guys, this is the process on how to enable all the default app that is missing on your Windows PC, Windows 11. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.